Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on the blinker bulb replacement, the rear blinker bulb replacement on your P2 generation Volvo Xc70. As you guys can see, the blinker on this side is working. We have the hazards on right now, and this one is not. So I need to replace this bulb. It's going to take only a few minutes. First thing you got to do is just get into the back of the car. Yeah, we just stole this dog. Never mind him. Hey, no, okay. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to need to do is take off this speaker panel. As you guys can see, this is the cover, and this also covers the brake light, the rear brake light. So you just like kind of come in here, there's little tabs. You don't have to use a screwdriver for this. Just pull this off like that. So remove the bottom first, and then it will pop down. Okay, guys, so to take this speaker cover out, you're going to pull out this red tab like that. And then you're going to, there's a tab on the top. Don't try to pull it out. Push it in, and then the speaker will fold out. It's kind of hard to get out all the way. You lift it up. Almost out. Man, I love working on cars. Especially shitty ones. There we go. Okay. So these two tabs on the bottom rest in this middle bracket. And then if you show the camera in there, this tab my finger is on, this is what holds the bulb. How do you? Pretty sure you twist it. Hold on. Okay, so you're gonna twist it counterclockwise. It's gonna come out. This is what's holding your bulb, and then you twist this out like so, and then you're going to replace it with the bulb. This is a Volvo Xc70 V70 orange blinker bulb. I don't really want to put any dielectric grease on there. The old one didn't have any. Just burn out. What the hell? Oh. I see. There. Now it's in. Twist the bulb in there. This is kind of the hard part. You just have to be able to put it back in. The best thing is the taillight is like all messed up, so you can't actually see what you're doing from the other side. Yeah, you basically just finagle with it a lot. So these little tabs. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, the top is in there. So you push it in, and then you turn it clockwise. It's kind of hard, but there's two little tabs, and they're like square tabs, and you have to put them in. But now the blinker works, and then just basically put the speaker back, and then push the old speaker cover back on, and that's all you got to do. And you can also replace the brake light, that lower one down there. See that one down there? Same thing, so you access them both from the same spot. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe if we helped.